important, like 3 days in the Mercury retrograde cycle. Red Robe Astrology for August 7th. Now, this peaks tomorrow and is building today, and we'll have a residual of it on Wednesday. And all of the material that rises up from the neck up today, tomorrow, Wednesday, we will revisit when Mercury turns around late in August and early September. So pay attention to everything. So, the backdrop of what I'm talking about is Pluto, power and authority and shadow in a square, conflict geometry with the north node of the moon, where we're trying to get to next. I wrote about this and talked about it all July. Meanwhile, Mercury is down there sesqui-squaring both of them tomorrow, starting today, peaking tomorrow. Sesqui-square, 135-degree angle of frustration, itch, and bother. But when a planet sesqui-squares two other planets that are squaring, that's a pattern that has a name. It's called a Thor's hammer. What does Thor do for his hammer? He sticks out his arm when there's conflict and there's a vibration and a building tension, and the hammer zips to his hand and he slams it down in a big act of aggression, and that's a Thor's hammer tomorrow, building today. Now, the moon's in Taurus today, grounded and stable, and actually providing a trine to Mercury, which is clear communication, and a sextile to Saturn, which is good, stable sort of use of wisdom. In fact, there might be clarity in communication today, but it could lead to conflict tomorrow. That's why it's important to pay attention. The moon will semi-square Neptune, which triggers just enough foggy conditions for some blind spots today. That's going to help the Thor's hammer's aggression. A sesqui-square to Mars is anger and reactivity as a spice in the day. That's going to add to this potential conflict. Just pay attention to everything from the neck up today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, because we are sure to pass this way again. Have at it.